Hey, I want to show you guys real quick how to install a new plugin on your WordPress site. The easiest way to do it is go to plugins. In fact, I'm going to show you two different ways here. So you'll log into the back end of your WordPress site, go down the left-hand column, find plugins, go here. Um, you'll see here's all the existing plugins that you have on your site. You may have a bunch here, you may have a few, you may have none. But if you need to add a new plugin, you can go to Add New. Click on that, it'll upload. Two different things. So if you downloaded your plugin, let's say you went to a plugin site like WordPress, plugins, right? And you found these and you found the one you liked and you downloaded it. Like it'll give you this option to download. So if you downloaded it, you'll go into your site, go to plugins, go to add new. And when you go to add new, you'll see this upload plugin. You click here and you just choose the file from your computer and upload it there. And it'll drop it into your plugins and you can activate it. If you want to take a shortcut on kind of all that, when you go here and go to new plugins, you'll have this section down here and you can actually search for different kinds of plugins. So let's say you need one to maybe install a tracking code. So install tracking code. You just search your general term and it'll actually load a bunch of different approved plugins that are used to install tracking codes. And you can kind of look at what they are. They have the name, the description here, how many active installations, how many reviewed. So this has over 1 million active installations. It's got 618 reviews and 4 stars. That's pretty good. This one down here has only 4 reviews, but it's got 4,000 activations. So you can kind of go through, look at each one, open more details, read more about them. And all that kind of thing, how to install them, all that. Once you find the one you want, you just click install now, and then I'll actually install it right to your plugin, and then you can click activate from there. So I'm going to do one today. I'm actually looking for AdWords tracking install. So I want to install AdWords tracking code, and here's some good ones here. That's for Facebook. Let's get more specific. Let's call it Google Tag Manager. So it's something really specific. Looks like I already have one installed here. So installed that one. Let's go to update it. Now that that's in here, I can go back to my plugins. You just click on here to go to installed plugins. And now I gotta look for it here. Google Tag Manager, there it is. View details, tells me about it, right? And then you're all set.